Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Rocket Money refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone storage and let the list fully load. This shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap Offload app on a few large apps that you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps documents and data. Also, check photos and messages, since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you've freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try reinstalling it or updating Rocket Money again. If the error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely, since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stock storage cache. So, all you've got to do is free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. Rocket Money installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.